Hello, welcome back. This is basically a continuation of the previous video. So, if we ask anyone, be it engineering student, be it anyone, do you know AI? Everyone says, yes, I know AI. Yes, I use ChatGPT or Gemini or Copilot or few people even Claude also to create presentation, generate code, understand prompt engineering. But the question is that enough to secure a job in today's industry, secure or even retain your job if you are already working? Let's see what happened when Ramesh appeared for his campus interview. Let me tell you, this Ramesh's story is fictional, but the gap is highlighted is very real.
Ramesh, did you prepare AI also?
Of course. Prompt engineering is actually one of my strongest skills.
Ramesh, you can go in now.
Good morning, Ramesh. Please sit. I see Python, machine learning basics, and generative AI. How comfortable are you with AI? Very comfortable, sir. I'm well versed in prompt engineering, and I regularly use like ChatGPT. I use AI for coding, research, and presentations. I can create almost anything with it. Good. Let's take a simple, real-world situation. Suppose our company has 10,000 internal technical documents, manuals, policies, and previous project reports. We want an AI assistant that answers employees using only our company information. How would you approach it? I would give the AI a detailed prompt, telling it to behave like our company's knowledge assistant. But the AI has never seen our private documents. They weren't part of its training. So how will a prompt give the AI knowledge that it doesn't have? Maybe, we can upload the documents? 10,000 documents? And they're updated every week? Have you worked with RAG, vector databases, or embeddings? I've heard the terms, sir, but I haven't worked with them practically. That's okay. Let's try another practical example. A customer asks our AI assistant, "Where is my order?" The answer is inside our live order management system. We could ask the AI to check the customer's order details and provide the current status. But the AI doesn't have access to our order database. How will it get the customer's actual order status? The AI can only check it if we connect it to the company's system. How would you make that connection? Have you connected an AI model to a database or an API? No, sir. I haven't built anything like that yet. One final situation. Suppose your AI confidently gives a customer a completely wrong answer. What would you do? We could improve the prompt and instruct the AI not to provide incorrect information. And what if it still gives the wrong answer? Then, I'm not sure, sir. How would you test whether the AI's answers are accurate before customers start using it? How would you reduce hallucinations and put safeguards around the system? RAG, vector databases. How would you connect the AI to an API? How would you reduce hallucinations?
Ramesh is one of our best students, and he is appearing for an interview for a high-paying AI engineer job with one of the best-paying and most reputed IT.
Ramesh, how did your interview go? Sir, I think we may be preparing for AI interviews in the wrong way. What happened? They asked whether I knew AI. I confidently said yes, and told them I knew prompt engineering. Then they asked how AI would work with company data, APIs, and live business systems. They also asked about RAG, hallucinations, evaluation, and safeguards. I couldn't answer them. I've used AI for more than a year. I've generated code, presentations, assignments, and research. But today I realized something, sir. I know how to talk to AI. But I don't yet know how to build with AI. Maybe this isn't just Ramesh's problem.
Ramesh, this isn't your failure. You learned what you were taught. Maybe the real question is, did we teach you what industry now expects? But it is only the beginning. Our students know how to use AI, but industry expects them to know how to build with it. Data, APIs, workflows, evaluation, and real JIT. But for that, we must engage with someone who has deep software delivery experience. But the challenge for academicians like us is to find such mentors for our students. They might even charge higher, which may go beyond our budget. Let me discuss this with management.
Dr. Amit, the placement head, is correct. Getting such mentors are not easy and they are expensive because the colleges and universities must engage with people who are not professional trainers but having practical experience in developing commercial applications. Only these mentors can make the students skilled at building AI application. Otherwise, it will again be a tick in the box training that will not yield the desired outcome. Are we preparing our students merely to use AI or preparing them to work with AI? Prompt engineering, as I have mentioned earlier, also is important, but it's only the beginning. Student must also learn how to use AI to connect with data, APIs, business system, evaluation, guardrails, real world workflow, all this stuff. Knowing how to talk AI as a skill, knowing how to build with AI for employability or retaining your employability. Now, the question for every academic leader is, are we preparing our students merely to use AI or preparing them to work with AI? So, prompt engineering is the beginning, as again I have mentioned earlier, but not the finish line. All right. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Uh, Good evening, good morning, good night, whenever you are watching it. So that's all for now. Keep AIing and thank you once again. Bye.